Shein is the Amazon of clothes, but behind those $5 tops and viral TikTok hauls is a world most people don't dare to talk about. What if I told you some workers are making 4 cents per garment and working over 18 hours a day, with no weekends? Today, we're going deep into Shein's rise and the shocking human cost behind the world's fastest growing fashion empire.
Get dangerous.
In just over a decade, Shein went from a small Chinese online store to a $100 billion giant, faster than almost any brand in history. Their secret? Speed and price. New designs hit the site in as little as 3 days from concept to sale. You see a celebrity wearing something on Monday, and by Thursday, Shein is selling a copy for $6. But here's the twist. This speed comes at a human price tag you never see in the shopping cart.
Few stop to eat during the breakfast rush. For those who work in this warren of more than 5,000 clothes firms, the factory clock dictates their day. At a nearby job market, workers check the stitching they'd be expected to do. They get paid per piece, so their skill and speed determine how much they make.
Undercover investigations in Guangzhou, China, revealed that many Shein workers are sewing clothes in cramped, unventilated rooms, sleeping in the same space they work. Some earn less than $500 a month despite working 18-hour shifts, often with no days off for weeks. One factory had no safety exits, no contracts, and workers said if they made a mistake, their wages were deducted. This isn't just bad working conditions. Experts call it modern slavery. Shein's marketing isn't just fast, it's addictive. They use data tracking to see what you like, then flood you with endless personalized recommendations. And because prices are so low, customers buy more and more, thinking they're getting a deal. But the reality? These clothes are often made from cheap, synthetic materials that fall apart fast, ending up in landfills within months. It's a cycle: buy, wear once, throw away, and it's devastating both to people and the planet. Here's the bonus I promised. One undercover reporter met a Shein worker named Lee. She hadn't been home in over a year because she was working 7 days a week, 18 hours a day, just to pay off debt from medical bills. When asked what she wished for most, she didn't say more money. She simply said, "I want 1 day off, to sleep." Think about that the next time you see a $4 dress in your cart. If this opened your eyes, hit like, share this with a friend, and subscribe for more untold stories the fashion industry doesn't want you to hear. The more people know, the harder it is for companies to hide. Let's make this go viral for them.